How to cancel JustFit subscription. In today's video, we've got a quick and easy guide on how to cancel your JustFit subscription. If you're no longer using the app just need to take a break, I'll show you exactly how to stop those payments. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly talk about why you might want to cancel your JustFit subscription, whether it's because you're not using the app anymore, or you found a new fitness routine, or simply need to cut back on subscription. Canceling JustFit is super simple, and I'm here to walk you through the steps. Alright, if you're using JustFit on your iPhone and you're subscribed via the App Store, here's what you need to do. Open the Settings app on your phone, tap on your name, and go to Subscriptions. This is where you find all your active subscriptions, including JustFit. Find JustFit in the list, then tap on it. This will open up the subscription details. Tap on Cancel Subscription, and you'll be asked to confirm. And once you do, your subscription will be cancelled. And that's it. That's how you simply cancel your JustFit subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.